If you are putting in the hard work and not getting the rewards of your efforts, here is one thing to remember to help you. When it comes to shifting from not getting rewards to getting rewards, things can take some time. The path can be long, but if you pay attention, it can be a steady path. A lot of times people get frustrated and they want to change things right away. But that is a big mistake. You want to put your intention out there and then be willing to not get it in the short run. And while you put the intentions out there and not getting the results right away, you want to compartmentalizing things so that you keep doing the good work that you're already doing. You don't want to stop that good work because you got frustrated. And in the meantime, you want to keep figuring things out. Sometimes even finding a job outside while doing the good work in your job. Because for your own internal confidence, you want to remember that you're working at a company until you quit. So we don't want to check out because we are frustrated, we are not getting the results. And once we have compartmentalized things, we want to learn and understand the dynamics of people, of things, of processes at work. People tend to leave a place when they get frustrated and they don't really learn the dynamics at the workplace. And when you don't learn it, the new place will eventually have similar dynamics, even though in the beginning they might look very different. So you want to keep the long-term perspective in mind. Don't expect things to change right away. Compartmentalize things. Keep doing the good work. And on the side, keep trying to figure things out yourself or with the help of a mentor, a coach, or somebody trusted. And slowly start to implement what you are learning. And what I have seen in my own career at Facebook and the career of many people I worked with, that this slow and steady approach gives much faster results than just changing the job whenever you get frustrated. So keep at it and your efforts will bear fruit if you are willing to take feedback and change your approach. This is just one of the dozen tips I'm going to share in the upcoming workshop on how to turbocharge your growth at work. To sign up for that workshop, click the link below or subscribe to my channel.